The NOVUS NV3100 PWG gas pressure washer is built to tackle the toughest cleaning jobs. Powered by an easy starting 212cc overhead valve engine, this machine produces 3,100 PSI of pressure and 2.5 gallons per minute of water flow. Included with the unit are 5 quick change cleaning nozzles, an onboard soap tank, a 30-foot abrasion-resistant, non-marring, high-pressure hose, an ergonomic spray gun, and large 10-inch airless tires that come pre-installed on the unit. The quick change nozzles are easy to swap out and provide a wide range of cleaning capabilities. The 0-degree nozzle offers powerful pinpoint spot cleaning for hard unpainted surfaces such as metal or concrete. The 15-degree nozzle is for intense cleaning of unpainted hard surfaces including concrete, brick, driveways, and metal surfaces. The 25-degree nozzle is the most commonly used nozzle and is intended for a wide range of surfaces, including unpainted siding, gutters, concrete, brick, stucco, yard tools, sidewalks, and much more. The 40-degree nozzle is used for cleaning more sensitive surfaces such as painted siding, painted brick and stucco, cars, boats, RVs, and much more. Also included is a soap nozzle that is safe on all surfaces and is used to apply cleaning solution from the soap tank. The half-gallon integrated soap tank comes with an oversized fill cap so it is easy to add detergent without spilling. The NOVUS self-priming axial cam pump requires no maintenance. The 212cc engine is equipped with low oil shutdown so you can operate worry-free. This unit is constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, a rubber-mounted engine to absorb vibration, and large 10-inch airless tires that make this machine easy to transport and built to last. The NOVUS NV3100 PWG pressure washer offers outstanding value and is the perfect solution for all your outdoor cleaning needs.